Today I'm taking a look at these little handheld shears here. Now this takes your 20 volt max DeWalt battery. So it does not come with a battery, just so you know. But to power it on, you just got a power button right here. Once it comes on, you are ready to go. Pull the trigger, pull it twice to get it going. Then you pull it and it cuts it off. Now it comes with a nice case and it comes with an extra blade. But this thing works very, very well. And just snip off a few pieces very easily, no trouble whatsoever. Even a bigger piece. Now it's not going to do great big branches, but it certainly does these little ones, no problem whatsoever. You can see it cuts these off very, very quickly. So if you're looking for a small pair of clippers and you don't want to clip everything by hand, you get a bunch of clipping to do, these things do work very, very well. It does have, looks like a cut indicator, how many cuts you've actually made, as well as the battery charge level right there also. Now these blades are easy to change. Just undo this nut right here and then you can swap out the blade if you need to, but that blade's going to last quite a while as long as you're not getting it into dirt and stuff like that. You're just trimming branches just like that, no problem whatsoever. So if you're looking for a small pair of hand cutters and you don't want to do it by hand, these I do highly recommend. Now these guys are nice enough to send this out to me so I could do this review and show you a little bit about what they are and how they work. I want to thank them for that because I got some trimming I got to do and I don't want to be clipping everything by hand. So these are going to be a huge help. So I appreciate the fact they're willing to do that. And I hope this short video helps you out and you can decide whether or not these are right for you. But definitely give them 2 thumbs up. They work great. And as long as you have this 20 volt DeWalt system, you can pop those batteries right into this and you are good to go.